One of these photos costs $1 and the other one can cost up to $10,000. And I guarantee that you can't tell which is which.
I don't know, actually.
But today we're finding out if expensive photography is actually better for your marketing or if you're just paying for perception. Beginning with a $1 shoot. Now this means you're gonna be using your own phone, and my dollar budget actually went to borrowing the selfie stick, and the product that we're gonna be shooting is this t-shirt. Now the reason that we're outside is because we don't have a budget, so we actually gotta shoot it within daylight, but we don't wanna shoot it directly in the sun. We wanna make sure that we can separate the shadows and make the product look good. Now to get started, you wanna place the product on the concrete. Now just because we're shooting this on a budget doesn't mean it's gotta look broke. Now, once we got a couple photos done, the next is to actually put it on ourselves. Or a $1 budget, we don't got it like that, so I'm just gonna wear it here because in a moment you're gonna see how you can actually edit this out pretty simply. Next step is your $100 budget. So what can you actually get out of this? Well, with today, programs like Kittle actually give you the ability to do quite a lot. Because again, this isn't just the photography and the quality of the image, but how can this really enhance your ability to sell your brand and product through? So let's see what Kittle is able to give us with the basic photos that we just fed it. What I really want to test it for is the ability for it to enhance the basic photography that we just took outside. So what I'm doing now is actually prompting a couple things here to see if I can get a model to wear it in a very specific way. And what I did is I went to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives you a great opportunity to actually create prompts. And with those prompts, I threw it back into Kittle, and this is what it gave me. This is a very simple design. This does have limitations when it comes to flat lay photography on an iPhone using a sidewalk in the middle of the day. You are gonna be a little bit limited. But if you actually wanna look how it actually fits on somebody on a real model for the product that you created, well, that's where you have to take your own photos. So now we're gonna import that into a quick segment here. We're gonna remove the background, taking that same prompt that we did earlier, and now the goal is to actually have it wear this product. Now with this model now wrapped up, the next thing that Kittle does allow you to do is actually also create video. Now this was pretty impressive to me. Kittle runs about $15 a month, but we actually have an exclusive discount code in the description right down below for you guys to get started. But now that we have this $100 budget that I feel is a solid budget for anybody, the next is to actually go to the $1,000. The $1,000 tier is hiring a lifestyle photographer. This is where you cross the line from brand to brand people trust with their credit card. The $1,000 photographer really is a creative partner that you hire for a project. So it really is their artistic vision that is going to get you your end results. And if they have a portfolio that you liked and enjoyed, chances are you're gonna love their products. So in our case, we worked with an incredible photographer, not just someone who shows up and clicks a button for you. They're consulting with you and they're actually asking what inspires your brand, what locations align with the market, what looks are you going for, and overall, what is the vibe you're trying to communicate? And here's the key. They book the models for you and it's all included. All you gotta do is show up with the product and they handle the rest. And the goal isn't to just get nice, pretty photos for Instagram, but you really should be building out your e-commerce store. And if you bring a phone, capture some behind the scenes, because that's what's gonna allow you to start doing Instagram and social media posting as you release your brand. And if you're not sure which stage to use by now, let's go to the far end of the spectrum. The 10,000 full service photographer. This is a tier where you stop thinking and you start executing at scale. This photographer handles everything. You give them your vision and your full collection, and they become your creative strategists. They book the models, they scout the locations, and they build out sets. They run both lifestyle and e-commerce shots in one day. Now, these types of photographers have shot thousands of brands and products, either products that are at boutique or retail or national brands. And they really have an extensive portfolio that you can see what their creative direction is. They know what converts and they show up with their own gear, their own team, and their own systems. Now the way we organized this shoot is we had two different models. We had the backdrop, some lights, some flash photography, and a bunch of cameras. From this, we were able to take a variety of different photos. That was roughly about a 4 to 5 hour shoot. Now this was all in studio. This was over 20 SKUs. So the more SKUs you have, the higher the price you're gonna pay. You're getting a full library of assets that are gonna work across every single marketing channel, whether it's Instagram, your website, email, or paid ads, or even the wholesale decks that you're gonna send out to buyers. This is why it could range anywhere up to 10,000, not necessarily 10,000 for the shoot, but the more products you have and the more locations and the more models, the budget grows exponentially.
You want it to sell and you want it to look actually like a product. I'm pretty sure as a customer, I want to know that I'm get an actual product. So I just want to highlight, you know, details, actually how it lays on clutch, and just kind of pulling out those finer details, even in a blank.
But the key here isn't just in spending more money and getting more photos. It's really in what Jordan mentions about marketing and how important it is to think about where you're placing it. Because if you're able to actually think about it and communicate it to the photographer, they can help you get those placements and really help you enhance your overall sales. As you can see, the images from a photographer really make the biggest difference. And the beauty about using these images and having such quality photography is that you can also put it on different marketing materials, whether it's wholesale line sheets, whether it's email campaigns. You can really use it throughout your marketing. So the higher you pay, the more assets you get, and ultimately, the more legit your brand looks. But can you find a nice middle ground? Can AI help you really enhance that? Well, that's what I want to quickly see. I want to actually go through and put the images that we got from our photographer back into Kittle and then see if it's something that could actually get us new looking models. I just put a prompt, change model to a female, light skin. See if it could change with red hair. All right, that's a challenge. Let's see. I mean, it followed the instructions of the model itself with the red hair and stuff. This actually looks pretty good, pretty close. Okay, let's do another version of this guy. Okay, check that out. So this one and this one, you almost can't tell. Instead of having to spend $10,000 or $20,000 or $5,000 or even $2,000, imagine just spending an hour or two photographing in really good light and then having somebody come in for the day and just for a couple hours put on all your clothes, put on your collection, shoot it with just enough detail that the AI will actually be able to enhance that product. Today, we are not bound by our budget. The whole point of this video was to see, can we really create something that was $1 versus 10,000, and will people be able to tell the difference? Well, I think it's time for us to go see if somebody can tell the difference. Yo, John, what up, man?
Oh, dude, what's up?
Whoa. I saw you were in here. I had to come in here and show you some.
What's going on, man?
I want to show you some.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for coming in, man. Yeah. Hey, so I got something that we made here. I want to show you.
Let's see it.
Okay. Which one do you think is the AI image? He hasn't seen this yet, so this is the first time he saw it.
First, usually that you look at is skin, right? Texture, but honestly, AI is so good. I would say both. Both are AI.
You think both are AI?
I think both are AI.
Both of them are AI? You think both of them are?
Yeah.
Yeah? What? Why is that?
I don't know, actually. Yeah, I think both are.
This is the real one, and that's the AI one.
Yes, too smooth. This can see it, but a lot of the AI that we're doing now, it shows.
It shows the wrinkles and everything. Wow. So it could potentially pass for both.
But you could see, yeah, it's a little too smooth.
Hey, appreciate you, bro.
Awesome, man.
Thank you.
Thanks.
And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a new viewer to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and turn on post notifications for future videos. And more importantly, join the free community where we share additional resources and free game every week. Join it through the link in the description, and make sure you guys check out Kittle for accessing all of these incredible tools. Because in 2026, you're not really bound by your budget. You're only bound by your ability to execute. So if you're looking to build your brand and business from the ground up, make sure you hit that subscribe and check out this video here where we dive into the steps that you need in 2026 and beyond. We'll see you then.